Okay, so a few days ago, I made one of my all-time favorite pads in Serum 2, and it uses a technique that's new to Serum 2. I really wanted to show you in a video. So just to show you what I started out with here in the spectral oscillator. Kind of nice organy pad sound, but I wanted to add a textural noise layer. However, what I did here, if we right click the level and go into mod source, I'm actually using oscillator A, so our spectral oscillator, as a mod source for the level. So the amplitude of the noise is going to react to the audio of the oscillator itself, and it sounds absolutely amazing. But what really elevated this pad was when I introduced a low pass filter and used the exact same mod source here, oscillator A, on the filter cutoff. I'm going to show you what this sounds like. It just adds this kind of like unstable sound that just sounds phenomenal. I mean, just wow, it sounds amazing. And yeah, hopefully you can experiment with this and try modulating different things in Serum using the actual oscillators themselves. I am going to be adding this patch to my Serum 2 Essentials Volume 1 pack in a free update that's coming down the road. So if you do want to support that, I really do appreciate it. And yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Serum 2 content.